This week I'm testing the Kia Stinger Sports Sedan, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is the boot space. You can get a twin stroller in here and you've got space for your bags too. Number 2 is legroom. I can fit 2 child seats really nicely in the back here, and there's room for a 184cm passenger easily in front of a rear-facing child seat. Number 3 are the cameras. You get an indicator camera come up in the screen in front of the steering wheel, and you can press a button in the central console for a rear view camera to come up while you're driving along. These are both great for visibility because being a sedan, that roof line is low and the windows at the sides are narrow. We've had a blast driving the Stinger this week with our family. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.